Savannah with what's his face? I'm blanking. Oh yeah, Red Velvet's the fox. The Douglas fox. I can tell because of the color of the tag that used to be there. So yeah, I'm gonna do a Schleichs once I get packages. So yeah. So first I'll be going with the ones that were in a package. So first we have Tanner, the male St. Bernard. That's Tanner, because I ran out of names. So original. Oh yeah, that one I got from my best friend's package. Oh yeah, just so you know, it's not for my friend, it's in a store, Tractor Supply store. Yeah. This I got from a friend, a yellow Labrador named Sunshine or Sunset. Then we have this one's also from my best friend package with Tanner. 13 dogs were with Tanner. This is Journey, the German Shepherd. Because he has a harness, and he's like, he can pull sleds, hike mountains easily, so yeah. That's why he's named that, because the harness, they can get up here, you can pretty much be able to hook up anywhere, and then he has a collar. She fell. German Shepherd? I know, go slow. Then we have Thunder. Yeah, he has Magneto collar that I made from Elastics. So I got this from my River King. Yeah, I know, real original. So yeah, it's Thunder, Min Pin. Try to get in the camera because I'm on the other side of it. Then we have Starfire. And then we have Starfire's pup. Star. Callie. And then the other puppies. Oh yeah, those are golden retrievers. This is a New Ray. Seeker. And then Detch, her brother. Same breed. Both have males. And then we have this one is George, he's all messy. Oh yeah, I'm going to put them in a section. I'm not going to bother telling you. I got them from right now. And we have George, or Georgie. Then we have Georgia, the cleaner one. Then you have Lassie, the rough collie. Oh yeah, those two are different. George and Georgia are both Dalmatians. I probably will do that series, but not these. Yeah, I'll do that series, but one's rough collie. Lassie, the rough collie. Lassie, the rough collie. Background noise is my TV. I just randomly turned it on. Don't want you to see that. That's Tracker, my German Shorthair pointer. God. Then we have Mila, the Westie. Then we have Wafer, the Yorkie. And this one's like a mix. This one's a Yorkie, that's what I call it because it's gray. That's Bo. It has bonus hair. And then Wink, my Minecraft wolf. The color and the yellow's supposed to be a tag. So then we have Princess. These are Spaniel. Then we have my French Bulldog, Greenie. I mean, no, not Greenie. Yeah, that's right. His name's Greenie. And then we have Jordan. I mean, no, Jaden. Too many J's for me. Jaden. Now to my Schlikes. I'm gonna have to pause it to get my other one. So this one was in the bathroom. I want to show you guys something. And I found him. He's a mutt. I know that. It says that he's a Schleik. Oh yeah, I'm doing my Schlikes right now. Schlikes, he does not have a name. I forgot that I even had him. So that's his name. I'll make a video on the update. He'll probably get more. Because I'm probably going to go shopping. Hopefully. So yeah. He has lots of detail. Because like all the Schlikes do. That was female because it doesn't have that affixed. Male. His name's Hero. St. Bernard. Completely different, those two. Then we have two puppies. One can wait. Jordan the Golden Retriever puppy. That right now the mother's not a Schleik. I'm trying to think the Schleik. Oh wait, no. Yeah, that's right. And then we have this. Yeah. This one, which I forgot. Yeah. I don't know the name. Oh, what's his face? Mason, the German Shepherd. So yeah, is that it? Pause. To go get the other one. My Australian Shepherd. Be right back. So I found my Schleik Australian Shepherd, female, and there is Maisie after the dog from Marmaduke, except she actually has a tail. Oh yeah, that Maisie and Jordan were bought together. So there's like the ones that are taking care of each other. So yeah, we'll put them on sets on either my. This one's not in that. On the chair, probably on the chair because it right sets. So yeah, now they're all in sets. Now, one thing you probably didn't see in the corner are the families. These two are separate packages. One has more detail than the other. I lost the mom, and then same thing with these Dalmatians, but instead of the mom, it was the father, and I treated the father again. Yeah, I know. So then we have the ones that came in the set. We have Journey, Seeker and Fetch. Where's the Seeker at? Seeker and Fetch, Princess, Lassie, Tanner, and the German, and Winter. And then Greenie and Jacob. This one I traded for. That's why I traded what's his face? The father. And that one was really expensive, that's why I begged for it. I have German, oh yeah, these are the ones. Yeah, these are the ones that my friend gave me. My friend gave me this Schleik German Shepherd that I really wanted. I said she would be my best friend for life, and she is. Like, seriously, I was dying for that. I wasn't allowed to get it, though. Those. This one. Hope he does. Oh yeah, this blue is for Marley. I had the lab Schleik, but sadly I dropped out of my jacket, and so did my original German Shepherd. So I was really mad. Every day I looked for the lost found, never found it. So someone stole it, and my teachers are always like, "Oh no, too bad I can't help you. It's not like you." And then they go and they're just like, anyone help me look for this? Oh, I'm sorry, you didn't help me look for that. So yeah, Marley the Labrador. He's one that I bought. I have these. He came in the Minecraft set, and then those two. So yeah. That is that, and I'm really mad at my teachers because they didn't even help. No one's asked me to help them or them to help me. It's always like,